In a bustling market in Kingston, Patrick and Lovett strolled hand in hand, their laughter mingling with the vibrant sounds of the island. Patrick, with his infectious smile, was showing Lovett the fresh mangoes, while she debated over the sweet versus the sour ones. Suddenly, a voice with a heavy accent caught their attention. "You think that one ripe?" Turning around, they saw a tall Japanese man, his skin sun-kissed, and a grin on his face. "Me first time in Jamaica," he said, effortlessly slipping into Jamaican patois. Patrick and Lovett exchanged surprised glances. "Wow, you're really fluent," Patrick exclaimed, intrigued. The man introduced himself as Haruto, a language enthusiast who had learned patois from Jamaican friends while living abroad. "Me love de vibe, ya. De culture, de food, de music," Haruto continued, excitement sparkling in his eyes. Lovett smiled, impressed. "You have a passion that's rare." As they chatted, Haruto shared stories of his travels and how the warmth of the Jamaican culture had deeply moved him. Patrick and Lovett invited him to join their market adventure, and together they sampled coconut water, danced to a nearby sound system, and shared jokes, merging their cultures. By the end of the day, they had forged an unexpected friendship, united by language and laughter. Under the waning sun, as they bid farewell, Patrick turned to Lovett and said, "You know, love, sometimes the best connections come from the most unlikely places." Lovett nodded, her heart full, reminding them both that the world was smaller than they ever imagined.